Hello everyone, today Sudio just sent me this package and I cheated a little. I actually opened it for a while and it's just a flap. This came in via DHL, and as you know, DHL is very fast in terms of international deliveries, even though we are in quarantine mode right now. So this is the standard Sudio box, and this time around I'm doing a quick unboxing of the brand new stuff that Sudio sent over because I think they have one-upped themselves in terms of packaging. So we'll just take the Sudio sticker, put it right here. It's not sticky anymore, but nice touch. And then the Sudio parchment. Opening up, it says, "Music touches us emotionally where words alone can't." And I agree, music is very important, so I'll just link some of my favorites down in the comment section below. Have a listen. So opening up, okay, we have a thank you note. "Thank you for your purchase. We can't wait for you to try your Sudio product. If you have any further questions about your order, please visit our help center in our website. You can also send me an email, julia@sudio.com, and I would be happy to further assist you." Alright, so here are a bunch of links to Sudio's social media. They did a very nice job in terms of this printing. It looks premium as heck. Okay, so opening up here, we have another message. This one, it says, "Dear music lover, the combination of our love and music and our passion, blah 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 blah." Alright, so this is to tell you to go to sudio.com/sphere and register your product within 3 months of your original purchase to get 18 months of extended warranty. Who wouldn't want that? And thank you Sudio for doing this. So I'll just keep that for now. Alright, so if you buy the brand new Sudio Ett right now, I'm not too sure if it applies to every other Sudio product in the market. So what you get is a crossbody bag. This is not really a bag but more like a crossbody pouch. So opening up here, you can see this is the strap itself. It's very long and it's made out of this, not sure what material is this, but some filling air. Okay, don't mind that. So okay, the overall material, it's a felt material, I think, with a leather bottom with the Sudio logo debossed onto that leather, and it is sewed with this strap at the back here and this string to go across your body. And yes, this is a pretty tiny crossbody pouch, but it's good enough for a lot of stuff. Actually, it's not really that small. For example, let me get the Galaxy Z Flip. So the Z Flip actually fits inside nicely, and we can close it, and you can see the Z Flip is in there, nice and snug. Well, actually not that snug, but you get the idea. Alright, so digging further, I actually have 2 units of the brand new Sudio Ett here, so I get 2 crossbody bags, and here is something special. This is a box with a Sudio. Oh, okay. It's a card holder, but this one is from Sudio. As you can see, this is in their new green color. I'm not too sure what they are calling this color, but yeah, it's a brand new green color. There are no middle slots, and it's just a nice gift for those who are buying Sudio products. I'll just keep this back into its original box and I'll leave it here. I'm not sure. Oh, they sent in 2 colors of the Sudio Ett, green and pink. I'm not sure if this is pink because that's... Oh, alright. So both of them are green. So alright, the brand new Sudio Ett. Oh, underneath there's still some other things. Sudio always does this, and I feel like its quality is just way too good for us. Alright, so here's the brand new Sudio Ett. I'm not sure what's up with the naming scheme because in Swedish, Ett means 1 and the previous fem means 5 in Swedish, and then the previous one was 12 means 12. Either way, I'm not too sure what's up with their naming scheme, but that's not the main point right here. So this time around, Sudio with the Sudio Ett comes in these 2 brand new colors, so it's available on top of the usual black and white, and now we have the pink and also the brand new green color, which is the first time that we're seeing. I'm not sure which one you like the most, but I'm going for green because it's unique. The pink one does look very elegant, and I think I'm gonna use this as my daily driver instead. So this is pretty much the standard Sudio packaging. Slice the packaging off from the side here, and then the whole thing opens up from this side. And there you go, the brand new Sudio Ett. So this is the charging case itself. Wow, it's very tank-like. Oh, okay. Instead of putting the earbuds outside, Sudio decided to just include everything into the case itself. It's a fairly huge pair of earbuds by the looks of it. And let's just look into the accessories right now. As far as I know, the Sudio Ett has a lot of new features compared to the Sudio Fem. So let us just open them here and then we can see. Oh my god! Okay, so Sudio decided to one-up themselves by putting a lot of different sets of ear tip sizes in the box itself, and everything is covered within this piece of plastic with the paper behind. I'm not too sure how to describe this. Either way, this is reminiscent of the JBL Elite 75T that we reviewed not too long ago. I'll link you. No, it's here. Alright, okay, I got messed up. Anyway, yes, matching green color for the charging cable. And in terms of the booklet itself, it is the user guide and also the warranty information as far as I know. So back to the Sudio Ett itself. This is within that green color. It has a soft touch finish. And the green looks like a tank. I'm not too sure. It does have a forest green kind of look, and I don't know, it feels like tanks. So the brand new Sudio Ett just comes with a very thick body. I didn't expect it to be this thick. And we'll be taking a deep dive and review of the brand new Sudio Ett coming in the future. And Sudio also moved back to a traditional press button instead of the touch panel on the Sudio Fem, which I kinda have an idea why, which we will talk more about that in our review. This button feels very good, and overall the color, unexpected, and I just like the brand new Sudio Green. Anyway, the full review of the brand new Sudio Ett will be coming within a week or so. Remember to check the description down below because we will update whenever we have any new information. And that is all we have to say about this unboxing of the Sudio Ett. Do tell us what you think about this kind of content in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video.